the figure shows two preparations of equal height and taper. Which of the following will have greater retention? Okay, so there are two words, retention and resistance, which we usually tend to get confused. So retention is always along the path of insertion. So if you are putting something in this direction, opposite to that is retention. Okay, so retention is shown in the image already. Resistance is tipping kind of a force due to lack of stability. Okay, that is resistance. So of the two preparations given in the image, what will be, which preparation will have greater retention? A, B, both will have equal retention since both have same height, and there is no correlation of retention with the given figure. So for two teeth or two structures of similar height and taper, the one with the greater surface area will have greater retention because that is the amount of luting area that you are excessively getting. Okay, so greater the area, greater will be the retention. That is a direct correlation. If you double the diameter of the preparation, it doubles the area. Read this, see. Doubling the diameter of preparation doubles the area of its axial walls under shear and quadruples the area of occlusal surface where the cement is under tension. So in this kind of a feature, the luting cement is going to play a vital role. Because the area of cementation is greater, if you double the area, then the amount of occlusal load it can take up is 4 times greater. Okay, so of the two images, A will have greater retention form. Now on parallel lines, if we talk of resistance form, then resistance is more dependent on the taper. So if the taper is less, the crown will easily tip off. So resistance is more dependent on the height and on the taper than compared to the diameter. But although given the same scenario, if there is same height and same taper in both the given scenarios, the resistance of the narrower will be greater because the bigger one will easily tip away as compared to the narrower one.